This is my review of the Globe Barnyard hanging light that I bought. Bought 12 of them, and we got all done. Only five of them failed, mostly due to this socket setup they've got, where they put this paper thin socket in there where your bulb's supposed to screw, held down by two little 8/32 screws. When they did use two, sometimes they used one, but as soon as you tighten the bulb up, it tears it off. It's called a barnyard light because of its style. I think it should be more called a graveyard light. That's where it ought to be, is in a graveyard somewhere. The quality is just really, really poor for what you have to pay for this. It comes with a 15-foot extension cord. One of the other problems is with the bulb, when you tighten it up and the bulb does work, you don't know for sure, did you tear the metal and is the bulb going to fall off? In our case, these were up 15 foot in the air, and the light bulbs, one of them dropped out. The other one was on an angle, so they're definitely a hazard there. I don't know, maybe they produce their own UL listings, stickers that they apply, but these things pass any kind of a test. The quality is just really substandard. I'm surprised Lowe's even carries them. Of course they don't. You have to order them out of the catalog. I think if they carried them in the store, people would open the box, they'd see how poor the quality is, and they wouldn't even buy it. I would definitely stay away from this, and that's my opinion. Something to be proud of there, China. Only the best.